So my next two order of operations examples are pretty straightforward, but they're here to illustrate an important point. So you can see if you look at these two problems, both of them are 14 divided by 7 times 2. The only difference is that the second one has a parentheses on the 7 times 2, and that difference is going to make it a completely different answer. So if we look at the first one here, there's no parentheses, there's no exponents. So I'm ready for that multiplication and division step. And that's really all there is in this problem is multiplication and division. But I would not do multiplication first and then division. We do them at the same time from left to right. And so in this case, since the division is on the left of the multiplication, I would actually do that first. So the first thing I'm going to do is 14 divided by 7, which should give me 2. And then I would bring down the rest, the times 2. And so now I'm left with just the multiplication, 2 times 2, which gives me 4. Versus if I look at example D here, so on this one, we actually have a grouping symbol, we have a parentheses, which means I would do what's inside that first. So even though normally multiplication and division, we would do what's on the left first, since it's in parentheses, it's saying do that first. So I would do 7 times 2 first, since it's in the parentheses. So I'm just going to bring down the 14 and the division sign, and then 7 times 2 is 14. And if you leave the parentheses there, that's fine. You don't have to. If you do, though, realize that we're done with that step because there's nothing left to do inside the parentheses. And so then all that's left now is to divide 14 divided by 4, which is 1. So that little change, just putting in parentheses or not, gives us a completely different answer.